Good morning, friends. I hope you all are fine in this pandemic situation. I am Professor Shreya Trivedi from AKDMC Jamnagar. Now, welcome to this new stage of life, that is college life. Okay, I hope you all have a great future ahead. Now, we will start, or we can say I am going to take your foundation course in English, that is compulsory English paper for Sem-1. Okay, in this first of all today we will only discuss about the syllabus which is going to be there in F5. Okay, uh, let us see what is there in the syllabus. We are having a text, okay, a textbook which is named as Images, a handbook of stories. In that we are having stories from 1 to 5. આપણે પાસે એક ટેક્સ્ટબુક છે ભણવાની જેનું નામ છે ઇમેજીસ અ હેન્ડબુક ઓફ સ્ટોરીઝ. એ સ્ટોરીઝ કેટલી 5 છે, પહેલી 5 સ્ટોરીઝ જે આપણા સિલેબસમાં છે સેમ 1 માટે. It carries 40 marks, 40 marks. Okay, so we have to put a great stress on it. Then we have a grammar and composition part. Okay, grammar part છે પછી આપણે ભણવાનું. In that first is parts of speech. પહેલું જે છે એ parts of speech છે. Second is tenses and third is word formation, that is forming noun and forming adjectives. Okay, આ ત્રણ આપણી પાસે ગ્રામરના ટોપિક્સ છે. પહેલું છે પાર્ટ્સ ઓફ સ્પીચ, અધર ઇઝ ટેન્સીસ, થર્ડ ઇઝ વર્ડ ફોર્મેશન. each carries 10 marks. એક એક જે ટોપિક છે એ 10 માર્કના પૂછાય છે. Okay, I said that today we will only discuss about the syllabus. Okay, in the next, or we can say in the first lecture we will start with parts of speech. Okay, આપણે કાલથી પહેલું લેક્ચર ચાલુ કરીશું જે ગ્રામર ટોપિક હશે, પાર્ટ્સ ઓફ સ્પીચ. હું એટલું તમને રિક્વેસ્ટ કરું છું કે જે પણ આપણે અહીંયા ભણીએ છીએ તે તમારે ત્યાં બેસીને પાછું રિવાઇઝ કરવાનું રહેશે. Okay, I request you all to revise whatever we are going to study. Okay, because the grammar is such a topic that you have to revise and revise. Okay, as we are dealing with maths. Okay, we learn maths through practice. Okay, as the same way we learn grammar through practice. Okay, so please, I request you that you should revise what all things we are doing in this lectures. Okay, so take care of yourself and we will meet in the next lecture. Okay, see you, and yes, see ya in the tomorrow. Bye.